Welcome back to the garage. This is just going to be a really quick 2-minute update on where I'm at with the car. It's been a long hot few days and I've managed to get a couple of bits done with the extremely hot weather. For those not in the UK, we've been just north of 32 degrees for probably the last 5 days, which that's unpleasant here, to be honest. But yeah, I have managed to get some bits done on the car. As you may have seen from Instagram posts and the posts I've shared on here, I've managed to get the subframe strengthening kit done, and I've got the subframe mounts on the actual car. Now, car is it's all tucked away at the moment, but I have got in the garage with me, and I have been working on today the subframe. So what I've been doing, I've got the Owens strengthening kit on. As you can see there is a degree of pigeon poo because old subframe metal does not like being welded. Lovely big blob sitting on here with some splattering around it, but you know, it burned through to the other side, so I'm not too fussed. Doesn't look pretty in places, but it's on there. I've hit it with hammer, nothing's come off. And also these bars here. Funny enough, these actually welded beautifully. I ended up throwing too much wire at them because I was expecting the splattering I was getting at the front. But I've then spent the rest of the day stripping all of the original paintwork off of absolutely everywhere that I can with a wire. As you can see from the state of the floor in here, I started outside and I continued on in here, and there's just black paint dust, and I'll be honest, a chunk of black bogies coming out my nostrils as well, which is really unpleasant. I've already washed at this point. I had to get the black splatters and the smudges off my face because I've been sweat pouring out of me wearing overalls today doing this. So oh yeah, so it's not just the top I've done, it is as much as I can get. Little places like this I'm going to have to get a little tiny sanding wheel into because I just can't get the big grinder in there. I started over this side and it's just taking forever, and I've got to do up inside these as well. But once that's done, I'm going to get a nice coat of etch probably on this, and then yeah, probably an etch primer and then some black rattle can hammerite or something along those lines, because it just needs to work. I don't care, it doesn't have to be the best finish in the world, it just needs to look smart. That's kind of what I'm going for. It hasn't got to be pristine, super shiny, powder coated, because I'll be honest, I might have to make alterations to it. I might want to drill holes in it. I've probably got to put radiator mounts on the subframe, and if I'm going to do all of that, I want to be able to touch the paint up myself. So that's the road I'm going down. But yeah, just a quick little update. I have got some time coming up where I'm going to be able to crack on and do a nice bit of work and get the whole bulkhead stripped back to bare metal and sanded and primed and all the rest of it, so that I've got through the engine bay, through the new front, a whole coat of paint over everything, so that it hopefully won't go rusty as quickly as it seems to want to go rusty. But yes, right, thanks for watching. So only a quick update, and I will see you when I've got 5 minutes to pull the camera out and actually film something.